What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex. In this video, I want to talk to you about how much buyers just love to delete homes. And let's make sure yours isn't one of them. If that's something that interests you, stick around. So with the advent of the internet and all the homes being online everywhere, now buyers have become deletion experts. They just love to sit in their big easy chair or in front of their couch or TV or whatever, computer. As homes come up, they delete them. Homes come up, they delete them. You know, they love to delete homes because deleting is easy, right? They sit in their big comfortable chair with a beer in their hand and they're looking at homes and they go, oh, that one, I can't see that picture. It looks kind of blurry. I don't know what that is. And I don't think that's the right area. And delete. And I don't know, that one looks, whatever, something wrong with it. Delete, 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 delete. Of course, deleting's easy, right? Deleting's fun. It's fun to delete homes because it's like delete, 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 delete. I don't have to do that one. I don't have to go like that because going and seeing a home is a lot of work, right? They got to call an agent and they're going to try and pressure them to buy the house and they don't want to do that. And they have to arrange for the kids to get watched for an hour or something like that as they run out to go see a house. And seeing a home is a pain. It's hard, right? Deleting a home is super easy. So we want to make sure that your home is not one of those that's deleted. We want to make sure that your home is so compelling online that when they get to that button, they go, oh, wait a minute. This one looks amazing. I'm definitely going to go see this one. I'm going to call my agent or call that agent or whatever, some agent, I don't know, jump in the car and go over and see it right away or whatever. So we want to make sure your home is one of those that's super compelling and not deleted. How do we do that? Well, photography, right? That's a big one because they're looking at photos and that's how they're deciding if they're going to go see it or not. And then other stuff they can see on maps and see what's around it and they can, read the description but photos and videos, right? It's photos and videos. Mostly photos, but for sure videos too. We want to make sure we have amazing professional photography because that's the key. They're looking at photos. They're like, and if you're a realtor, sometimes they come into homes with a cell phone and snap around and then throw them all online. That's insane. Like that is your primary selling tool for your property is the photos, right? And then when they get there, it's the whole, home. Because, the thing is seeing a home online and deleting photos and deleting homes because of crummy photos versus seeing a great photo and going there, like going to a home is a completely different experience than, looking at homes online. They walk into the house and they have that amazing experience and, get a look around the kitchen and get to know the living room, sit in the chair and feel the environment and all this kind of stuff, look around the neighborhood. That's a totally different experience. We want to make sure they have that experience. And the only way to make sure they have that experience is to make the home super compelling. In other videos, I've talked about the professional photography and the importance of it and controlling every single element in the database search criteria that they're using and all these other things that are, I've talked about it before, but as an isolated video, this one, photography, super important. Professional photography, a must, absolutely. We spend money on it, but it's worth it because it's the only way to ensure that those buyers are getting that online experience that's going to compel them to come to your house. So professional photos are a must. That's all there is to it. Well, that's it for this video. If you're ready to have your photos taken and get your house on the market, give us a call. We'll come over and take a look at it and get that going for you. I'm Rex. That's it. We'll see you at your house.